Hey guys, this video is a quick update about the PocketFi Airdrop. If you want to continue your mining, then you need to verify your account using either Ton or Stars. So in this video, I'll show you how you can verify your account. But I wouldn't recommend doing this if your balance is super low or if you just joined. Honestly, it might be not worth because the recent Telegram projects feel like in the scammy. Alright, so here's how it works. I'm going to select Ton to verify my account. As you can see, it requires around 0.63 ton, which is about $1.75. Now you will need to log into your Ton wallet. Connect it. Just follow the prompts and done. Just follow the prompts and done. Now go back to the Ton wallet. Here, click receipt section. You will see a comment you need to decrypt. Once you decrypted it, copy the comment. Then type it or paste it here. That's it, you are now verified. So look at that, as you can see, the mining has started again. And that's the main update for now. So if I get any new updates, you can join our Telegram channel where we post all the latest updates regularly. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.